gotcha. Separate the weak from the opposite. Leap hard to creep them Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stopped when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops and they heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical tape around the daughter. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like blunts with yayo. Peel more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I mean the skin cheek, branches on the masses, bumps and bruises, blunts and Land Cruisers. Big Papa smash fools, badge fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 block lines. Any motherfucker whispering about mine. And Brooklyn's finest. Rewind this, bad boys behind this. Spread love with my peeps. Niggas wanna creep, got to watch my back. Think the cognac and Indosat make me slack. I switches all that, cocksucker G's up. Go for a smooth, get Swiss cheese up. Click the check, respect, I demand it. Slip and break the 11th commandment. Come out, shout out, fuck with North Sea proper. Feel 1,000 deaths when I drop ya. I feel for you, I Shaka Khan, I'm the Don. Pussy when I want Rolex on the arm. You'll die slow but wrong. Recognize my face, so there won't be no mistake. So you know where to